Happy birthday.
The only thing that I feel like I need to ano pa is a dead plant there. Where? Inside the educator one. Inside the...
There's a dead plant.
No, I want one. I'm just trying to see the correct color.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, Nandi. Wish again, wish again.
Wish again, wish again.
Birthday.
Wish again.
Ano,
5 minutes again, wish.
I made a wish na.
Okay, next ikaw na, Mami.
Open it na.
Hindi, ako muna, tas next si Mami.
Okay.
Tas saka yung opening.
Ano, tagay na.
O sige, one by one.
Ayoko, we give it to... We'll give it all three. Kasi baka magulo.
Okay, jump.
And then one by one daw. Give, open.
Give you all our gifts.
Oh.
And then, okay.
Okay, that's our gift.
Ay! It's okay, we're tired. Happy birthday!
Thanks.
Okay, next. Our gift.
Happy birthday, ate.
Oh, it's a video.
Tanya.
Oh, sino pa?
Renzo's.
Bigay.
Renzo's.
Oh, Oh, Angelo, ikaw mag-represent ka lang kay Renzo.
Wait for a sec.
It's a bird.
And you're
Yeah, on behalf of Kuya Renzo.
Hindi,
No, that's mine.
Sorry!
Yes,
That's Renzo's.
On behalf of Kuya Renzo, I just sold this to you.
Thank you, Renzo. O, yung sa'yo, Mami.
Tapos na.
Finish
Mommy,
mo.
Mommy, you go. On behalf.
Pakawak mo kay Dad.
Dun, 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 dun.
And then the hair also.
And the hair.
And
Show
the
your
hair.
hair.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Off na.
Renzo's first.
Yay.
Pipicturean ko tapos sasend natin kay... Ah, wait, pipicturean ko
So
sasend natin kay Renzo.
nice.
Ay, open na. Ayaw mo i-open. Oh, socks.
Yun na nga,
Yeah,
sa.
we're actually giving you the socks that I wear this time. Here.
We don't wash.
Ay, wait. Teka muna.
Ako naka-record na ako.
Us.
Oh, it's up to you.
Go up to here.
Alright.
Wow. Look at my model na.
Wala akong ilaw ko.
Scissors. Open here. What am I doing?
Naka-ano pa naman. Hindi nakikita yung mukha.
I thought Amazon you don't use scissors.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
you
there. There.
Here?
You got it.
No, I don't.
Help, may scissors ba?
No, I got it.
go. Okay. Yay.
What did
Oh,
mom?
it's a bra, so I won't show it.
Sticky bra. Oh, sticky bra.
Yeah.
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 Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not breathable.
It is. So
You just stick it.
I can finally wear na ano. Mas the
We're
ones you
careful
gave me.
about that sometimes. I wear like that. And then
Sandito.
the silicone.
Oh, you have like that?
It's silicone kasi.
Ay, oh no.
Oh, that's you need scissors, I think.
This one is not anymore.
Or can you slip
I can
it?
slip it. Good.
Okay, she's gonna...
Ba't si Sisi nasa labas?
Chichi! Come on, Chichi!
She's allowed.
Sabi niya, down. She's allowed down. Her mom said.
Sabi niya, my mom said.
Giya tumataba si Shush.
Come on. I have to exercise. Don't say it. Don't shame her. She'll get hurt.
Hindi, ganda. Come here, Chish.
Oh, pretty. Let me see that.
Okay, this was the one that I really want.
Pagdating ako, pakita mo na rin ta.
Pakita mo naman yung gun.
Oh, yeah.
Massage gun.
Massage. Tapos matigas yan, gagawin mo talaga with
Just be
pressure.
careful with it. Not too hard.
Not too hard.
Oh, nice.
And this is makita ni Mommy. We got you the black one, you said. It's like a ball.
So nice. And then you put the ball and then my cups and then the different heads.
Oh,
Kasi needed talaga kasi sinasakit natin yung legs.
that's so nice.
Get
Meron pa.
Last na yung sa akin, last.
There's a happy birthday. There's a note there. There's not happy birthday, Ate Gia. Oh, it's eco-friendly.
Oh, this is also nice.
What is that?
I didn't write it down. And Arsene Sorry. And Arsene. It's from Arsene
It's
also.
from Leah of Angelo and Arsenin.
It's probably crying. It's probably
Kasi ko forgot it.
show you.
Mommy, look.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yung ganda niya.
Oh, I like that.
Bagay to my style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is your style.
Where'd you...
Ano na, Amazon?
Next.
Nice. Parang ganda fresco.
Last,
Sarap ilakad.
Paano sa pila?
And then last...
last surprise to the audience.
I know this. There was a free screening a month ago.
Kung tama yung size.
Do you remember this?
And
Everything
everything is
and Ate Gis
forgotten.
said she couldn't forget it.
I did forget the color.
She wore this now a month
wore
ago
this
for
now a
the
month
next-
ago.
She wore it.
And people,
Every Christmas.
Christmas or birthday.
ay,
You're running as a walking shoes also.
running, walking, casual. But it's just a rebound when you're running.
Birthday, Dad.
What is
Less energy. Parang EV, where there's regen.
oh soapy? Soapy?
Oh, support. That's how you say it.
Kasi I asked Gemini, ano yung high-tech running shoes.
Something here.
Body. What is it?
Soft?
Socket.
I don't know. That's just what I've heard people
Oh,
say.
sarap naman. Sushi, sarap. Oh, Sushi, sarap.
wait.
Look. She's happy. Look.
Parang she's happy.
Okay. Yeah, wait, maybe so other people can see. We will close this.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
Yes.
Gia chose the colors.
The color. I forgot what the color is.
I actually forgot.
Sharky. Pati nga Soli, ah. Gia.
Oh, nice. I like
And
it.
it's lightweight.
Yeah, kita mo, even the box is very light.
Past the shoe. Oh my gosh, it's so light. As in, it's like
Yeah.
air.
Yeah, and then there's rebound.
So, ano para kung
Kaya
walang
makapal
suot?
yan. When you ganon, i-jump ka niya. Energy saving.
It rebounds it for you when
Yeah.
you jump. It'll
Matipid
jump for
kaya sa long sa mga running. And then kapit.
Ano daw?
Pag nag-jump ka daw, it helps you jump.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel
Just like my hiking, ano, you know.
Tingin ka.
But it
Yeah.
won't jump for you. Dapat ganyan sa'yo.
Pag ganun mo,
Parang ganito rin yung... I remember may pinahiram ako sa yung Sketcher. Ganyan din ko.
Mga ganyang ka-light?
Ganyan pala.
I'm actually using a Skechers.
I'm
I'm
walking
walking
to
shoes
Skechers. Hindi mas mabigat yun.
hindi high-tech to ng Skechers, mami. Biking.
This can also be for walking.
Hindi, kahit mga dog walks lang pag kami ni Cheesecake, nag-change ako. Pag ganun ko,
Oh my gosh, ang cute sa'yo ng color. Tignan mo bagay kay Gia.
Ay, oo nga.
Bagay sa balat niya eh.
bagay sa theme mo at the house.
Bagay sa akin.
Olive.
Ay, bagay
Brown
sa
and ano.
outfit.
Yeah, can you wear both na? Check na.
Shorts ka lang.
Oh my god, it's
Hindi!
naka-shorts.
Kahit nakadress, okay yun.
Saka naka-short, yung
Oo.
cycling short. Para pag nag-ano, hirap.
Yung sabihin ni mami sa loob ng dress.
Sa loob ng dress. Kasi di ko man naka-shorts yun.
Kahit nakadamit, okay ang casual yun eh.
Sa loob
Kita
ng
panty.
Hindi, sabihin, yung outer, okay lang yung naka-rubber shoes with any.
Actually, naisip ko din, ba't di ako nag-shorts today?
Sa ilalim, no outer. Hindi ko alam.
Tingnan mo, bagay sa katawan mo.
Oh, wala ka palang socks?
Pwede mo yan isuot pang camp. Kaya lang nahuhulog yung strap ng ano.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Tingnan mo. Liya, tingnan mo.
Di lang ako niya sa fit to
Tingnan mo sa mirror, bagay sa suot mo.
Pampatangkad pa.
Ganda, no?
Ganda.
Can you jump? Can you see?
It's up for you.
Ako, parang ginawa naman akong...
It's up for you. Not turn around.
I feel not good about when I'm asking the ask.
Dia didn't jump.
May rebound power niya.
What is it? Explain it. Ano?
Ate ha.
cushion shoes.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
The Skechers and this, when I jump, it doesn't hurt my ankles anymore kasi it absorbs the impact on the ground.
Ito na, masukat mo. Ganda.
Ayan na,
Gusto ko rin makita.
I wanna see that.
Okay na. Gusto ko rin makita.
Parang ang
Parang mas
sarap.
bagay na sa outfit niya.
Oo, pero maganda.
Boho.
Yay! Pwede ka na talaga going everyday regular.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Ganda.
Anong tawag to?
Si
Sandals.
Daddy mahilig sa ganyan noon.
Oh, tapos I'll wear white socks.
Yung 90s.
Diba? I'll wear socks with this.
Alam mo yun yung uso ngayon, no?
Talaga?
Yung pinagtatawanan yung mga daddy noon, yun na yung cool sa kanila ngayon. Di ba noon sabi sa mga daddy, yung dad's wearing sandals and socks, kakatawa. Tapos ngayon, cool na sa kanila yun.
Good.
Sa socks sila. Sa
Oh
ganyan.
gosh, ang ganda.
Trendsetter.
Alam mo ba yun, ma? Uso na sa kids yung naka-socks tapos daddy sandals.
Oh, uso ba yun? I thought,
Yeah, it's a thing now.
kasi it's comfy.
It used to be a thing back then.
Before,
In the early 2000s, kids were so
Yeah.
into sandals, but then they stopped using it in the 10s, and then now it's coming
now
back.
it's cool again. No, but the dads with sandals, with socks before,
Yeah,
I was like,
well, Yeah, but I meant
the
like,
dads started it.
well, for kids at least, the younger people, it wasn't that cool.
Yeah.
Waterproof.
And then now it is.
Yeah.
Parang beach yan. Beach sandals yan.
Ah, pwede rin sa ocean.
Tingnan mo sa ano.
What? In the ocean also?
Wait.
Waterproof daw yan eh.
Waterproof.
And you can use it sa ano, sa pagdaan
So, aqua
midway
shoes?
ka.
Oh, ito na I'm nainggit no, if it's pwede for the rocky oceans.
Shoes. Cute.
It's cute. Bagay din sa suot
And
mo.
it's cushion din siya.